Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn about Google Ads campaign type. So what is campaign type? Google Ads allow you to choose between a few campaign types. This choice gives you a lot of flexibility and allow you to precisely tailor your campaigns to your needs. The campaign types you can choose from are: first, Google search ad, Google display ads, Google discovery ads, video ad campaigns, Google shopping campaigns. Okay, let's examine each campaign type in detail and see how and when you should use them. First, Google search ad. What is Google search ad? Search ads, they look very similar to the organic results on the first page of Google, except for a small pin that shows its own ad. So here you can see this is Google search ads. When we search some keyword or something about Google, then Google show us these types of results, and this is search results, Google search results or Google search ad. These ads can work for a wide variety of purpose, especially if the goal is to attract more people to your website. Secondly, Google display ads. Display ads are the ads that Google displays and online publisher websites that are a part of the Google display network. That means this is something that benefits both websites owners and advertisers. The website's owners earn money and the advertisers get to show their ads to even wider audiences and or retarget their existing visitors. Thirdly, video ad campaigns. Video ads mostly used up on YouTube since it's also a search engine and is owned by Google. While they may be annoying while you are trying to watch a YouTube video, they can be very useful when you're trying to advertise a product. Next, app ad campaigns. App campaigns get your app to a target audience and invite it to install the app or take a certain action in it. A great thing about these types of campaign is that you don't have to do much. When you win the bid, Google does the rest of the job for you. So you can be sure your app will find the right audience. Next, Google shopping campaigns. Here is the interface of shopping campaigns. Shopping campaigns are an amazing choice if you are an e-commerce brand and want to advertise your products. These ads show your products visually and place them above the organic search results. These ads typically show a picture of your product, the price, and its rating. They provide a great way for customers to quickly access most of the information they need to make their purchase decision. You can edit all that information in your Google Merchant Center account. On the other hand, they do get more competitive with a lot of brands competing on price to win the bid. Next, display network. Google Display Network, known as simply as ZDN or Google Display Network, is a network of sites that cooperate with Google and allow the company to post ads for a fee. This can be textual ads or image ads, and they appear next to relevant keywords. The display network is often used for app and native ads, but can be used for all ad types. Now, extensions. So, what is extension? Extensions allow you to add more information to ads to further entice the searcher to click on them. To make matters better for the advertisers, these extensions don't come to be extra cost. As we have discussed it in detail above previously, these extensions fell under a few categories: location, site link, call, app, and offer. Now the term is keyword. So what is keyword? Keywords are words and phrases that Google users search for when they have a query. When you use Google Ads, you have to bid for a keyword, so Google will display your ad when someone searches for that keyword. There are also negative keywords. These are keywords that you don't want to rank for. Google will pull your bid from these keywords, so you don't waste your budget on these keywords. CTR or click-through rate. If you create or run Google Ads, you need to know CTR. So what is CTR? The click-through rate refers the number of clicks you get on an ad compared to the total number of views on it. If you have a high CTR, it means that you have been able to target relevant keywords and create a high quality ad that matches the searcher's intent or search intent. Next, conversion rate or CVR. Your conversion rate is the percentage of people who take the desired action out of all people who interact with your ad. For instance or example, if your ad is trying to sell something and it has 1000 total interactions with 50 purchases, your conversion rate is 5%. Next, PPC or pay per click. PPC or pay per click refer to the type of bidding where you pay for each click on your ad. This is the most common type of online advertising and it's cost effective and simple to use. And Google ad is basically run on PPC or pay per click advertising model. So in next video, we learn about how to get started with Google Ads. From this video, we learn more about Google Ads basic topics and basic methods and terms. So next we jump into our practical.